Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure RevOps dashboard with Looker Studio from GA4, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing Google Looker Studio. Log in with your Google account credentials. Once logged in, click on the Create button located on the top left corner. From the drop-down, select Report. You will now see an option to add data sources. Click on Add Data. In the Connectors list, find Google Analytics. Select Google Analytics 4 from the list. Authorize Looker Studio to access your Google Analytics data, if prompted. Choose the GA4 property you wish to connect. Click Add to link the data source to your report. After adding the data source, click Add to Report. Your data source is now linked to Looker Studio. Next, begin customizing your dashboard. Start by adding a new chart by clicking that Add a Chart option in the toolbar. Select the type of chart that best represents your data needs. For example, you might choose a time series chart for tracking metrics over time. Drag your selected chart into the reporting area. Once the chart is in place, configure its data. In the Data panel, select the desired metrics from your GA4 data source. You may want to track metrics like user sessions, bounce rate, or conversions. Customize the dimensions to further break down your data. Consider using dimensions like date, traffic source, or user demographics. Adjust the chart settings to enhance clarity and visualization. This includes setting the appropriate date range for your report. You can also apply filters to focus on specific segments of your audience. For instance, filter the data by geography or device type. To add more depth, consider including scorecards for key metrics. Scorecards provide a quick overview of performance indicators. Create scorecards by clicking on Add a Scorecard under the chart options. Select your key metrics for display in the scorecards. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.